Next skincare product is the IWhite 2-Minute Whitening Mirror. The struggle here is freaking real, you guys. The struggle for a thumbnail picture, though. Those are the hair care. Okay, next naman are hair. Okay, next naman. What? Ang dami na din nagsabi na ito din yung best nose push. Hi guys, this is Frieza. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing the Best of Beauty 2015. I-feature ko yung best hair care products, best skincare, best makeup na gamit ko for the year 2015. Marami-rami to, so I will go ahead and start with the skincare products. The very first one is my favorite. Ilang beses ko na itong na-mention sa favorites ko. It's the IWhite Aqua Moisturizer Whitening Vita. I use on a daily basis and it is really good. The way it blends in your skin, it's just really good. This is the best moisturizer I have used. Next one is again from IWhite. This is the 2-Minute Whitening Miracle. I did a review and demo on this already. I will leave the link below if you want to see how it really works on the skin. I really like it. I use this 3 times a week. I use this Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And you guys, it does really good on the skin. Hindi ako nagbe-breakout sa kanya and I just really like the way it feels on my skin. Okay, this next one is the Celeteque Advanced Anti-Aging Cleansing Oil. This is kind of like a cleanser, but I actually use it as a makeup remover, especially if I have waterproof mascara on. It does amazing on removing waterproof makeup. As in, wala ka talagang makikitang bakas ng makeup after mo to gamitin. It's oil-based, so it's just perfect for waterproof makeup. Okay, next and last skincare product is the Clear Nose. I did a review and demo on this already. I will leave the link below para makita nyo din yung resulta niya sa nose ko talaga. This is the best nose pore strip I have ever tried. As in, sobrang dami ko nang na-try. Ito lang talaga yung nag-work sa akin ng bonggang-bongga. So if you're having a hard time looking for a nose strip that will work, try this one. Ang dami na din nagsabi na ito yung best nose pore strip para sa kanila. I can't blame them. It's that good. It's really good. Okay, next naman are hair care products. The very first one is my Verdon Keratin Hair Spa. This is from Prettyangelshoppe. Actually, lahat ng hair care products ipapakita ko sa inyo is from Prettyangelshoppe. Super mura lang nito. 150 only. 1,000 ml. Sobrang dami. Hanggang ngayon, meron pa rin ako. Actually, malapit na siya maubos. This smells amazeballs. Super ganda ng resulta niya sa buhok. Hindi ako gumagamit ng shampoo. Hindi ako gumagamit ng conditioner. Ito lang talagang treatment na to. At saka ito, which is another favorite of mine. This is the best treatment I have tried. This one is the Keratin Hair Reconstructor. Maliit lang siya, pero sulit siya. Well, yung buhok ko, super nipis. Pero sa akin, nagagamit ko siya ng 2 hanggang 3 beses. Marami na ako nagamit ng treatments. Moroccan Organ Oil na nabili ko sa Watson's. Treatment from Revlon, nakagamit na rin ako. But these two are the best so far that I have tried. I highly recommend you guys try it because you will not regret. Especially this one kasi sobrang dami. Hindi ko na alam kung kailan binigay sa akin ni Shirley to, but it's been a while and I still have it. Well, because I also have this, but you know, super sulit pa rin niya. And then the last hair care product, I know, alam nyo na. The Clareal Hair Repair Lotion. Oh my gosh, this is my savior. Especially because I do not wash my hair daily. I wash my hair once every 2 days. So kapag second day hair ko na, ito yung sinispritz ko. Sinispritz ko sa buhok ko. Super smooth, super shiny niya tingnan, and bonggang-bongga siya. Gustong-gusto din to ng mama ko at saka ng kapatid ko. Actually, lahat sila. Si mama have been using this. Ninanakaw niya yung mga sachet ko sa banyo ko because she likes this as well. Now, onto the makeup, you guys. This is kind of hard for me because I have more than one pressed powder, I have more than one foundation, I have more than one BB cream, and with the Best of Beauty 2015, I decided to choose only one na as in super nagustuhan ko talaga. So, in my collection, ito yung the best pressed powder, the best BB cream, the best foundation. So, yeah. So, iisa-isa lang siya. Every category. Char. Every category talaga, no? I'm gonna start sa eyes muna tayo. For the primer, well, I only have one eye primer and that's the e.l.f. Eyelid Primer. Para sa akin, hindi ko na need na bumili pa ng ibang primer kasi this one works naman sa akin and super affordable lang na to. Sa VACosmetics, this cost only 68 pesos, I believe. Siya lang mag-isa, wala siyang kaaway, so siya yung favorite ko. For the eyeliner naman, ito din wala din siyang kaaway. I did try some of the eyeliners before but it dried out on me, so tinapon ko na sila, hindi ako nag-repurchase. But this one, I keep repurchasing because I like it that much. Plus, it's very, very affordable. I believe I got this for only 89 pesos sa HBC. This is the San Waterproof Eyeliner Pen. By the way, I got mine in the shade black. You guys, for me, this is the best affordable, locally available waterproof eyeliner pen. It works great, especially for beginners. I always say this, kapag hindi kayo sanay maglagay ng eyeliner pen, try out this one because it helps a lot. Hindi ganun ka-tragic yung pagpapractice mo kapag ito yung ginagamit mo. I don't apply liquid eyeliner daily, like super minsan lang talaga ako nag-a-apply. And kapag ito yung ginamit ko, hindi ako nahihirapan ng over. And then for the mascara, I have here the Eye of Horus Goddess Mascara. I got this from my Glamourbox. So Glamourbox sells it on their website for I believe 650. May kamahalan siya, you guys, but this is the best mascara that I have right now. I have the Real Mascara from Benefit. I have the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Mascara. I have Maybelline Falsies Mascara, which is really good as well. But this one I find the best out of all the mascaras that I have. I have really short, stubborn eyelashes. And kapag ito yung ginamit ko, it really gives length, volume na hindi nagka-clump. And every time na sinusuot ko tong mascara to, nakakatanggap talaga ako ng compliment sa mga tao. Sasabihin nila ang ganda daw ng eyelashes ko. That's because of this bad boy right here. Again, may kamahalan, but this will last you for a long time. I've had this for I don't know how many months now, 6 months maybe, and I still have it. I still use it. Hindi pa rin siya nagda-dry. So for me, it's very worth the price. Okay, so for the eyebrows naman, I have something new, you guys. This is the BYS Brow Definition Kit. Iniisip ko talaga na mabuti kung ito or yung Intuit ko yung i-feature ko. Kasi alam nyo naman ako, iba yung level of love ko sa aking Intuit eyebrow kit. Pero this one actually is for me better than the Intuit. I've been using this non-stop since I got it. I got it from Glamourbox as well, yung BYS Special Edition box nila. This is originally 399 pesos. Same price sa Intuit. It has a wax, which actually I do not use at all. It performs the same with or without the wax. It is really, really pigmented. I have it on my brows right now. Way more pigmented than the Intuit. It also has its own brush. Yung brush niya, not the best. Actually, sira na yung brush na to. Brush-wise, much better yung brush ng Intuit. But the product itself, mas nagustuhan ko to. May tendency na may fallouts ito. But nasanay na ako because again, I've been using it. So parang gamay ko na kung paano siya gamitin. So if you're a beginner of this one, don't get too excited and pat your brush on there kasi may tendency talaga na fall out siya. Oh, another thing na wala dito na meron sa Intuit is mirror. Wala siyang mirror. But yeah, product-wise, I like this better than Intuit. Okay, so for concealer, I actually have 3 concealers and this is the best in my opinion. This is the Pure Concealer Mineral Healthy Natural Concealer from Maybelline. I did a review on this as well. I will leave the link below. I like it because it has yellow undertone. It matches great on my skin tone. I have it on my under eyes right now. Okay, so now sa pressed powder naman, I have one winner. This is the Maybelline Clear Smooth BB Seal Poreless White Powder. I have mine in the shade Sand Beige. It keeps the oil away from my face. Char. Keep the oil away from my face talaga. I usually concentrate this on my under eyes because it's kinda little lighter than my skin tone. Sometimes lang talaga nilalagay ko siya all over my face. But yeah, I have it on my under eyes right now. From pressed powder sa loose powder naman tayo. I know, alam nyo na, this is the only loose powder I have. No, actually I lied. I have another loose powder but I don't really use that. It's like the Smooth Criminal loose powder na parang sample size lang siya. I don't use it kasi it gets so messy. This one I've had for I don't know how long and parang wala pa rin nakuha. The Nichido Final Powder in the shade Creamy Glow. I use this all the time for all over my face. It does the job mattifying my face. Foundation naman, I have I think 5 or 6 foundations and nahirapan talaga ako dito ng bonggang-bongga, you guys. Marami akong foundation na gusto naman talaga siya. Pero, I was like, I need to choose one because it's the Best of Beauty 2015. Ding! I went for my Maybelline Dream Satin Skin Foundation. I did a review on this. I will leave the link below. I just really like the way it feels on my face, the way it sets on my face na parang wala lang talaga. Tapos, I have really oily skin. It does a really good job not making my face look like a grease ball. And also, this is one of my most viewed video, yung review nito. So, thank you, Maybelline Dream Satin Skin. And then for the BB cream, it wasn't hard for me at all to choose the BB cream because ever since, this is the best BB cream I have tried. It's the e.l.f. BB Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 20 with sunscreen. It's a BB cream, but it gives a really nice medium coverage. The shade matches me perfectly. It has a pump, which is always great. Marami sa inyo nagtatanong sa akin kung ano yung BB cream na maganda for daily. For me, it's this one. Very lightweight lang din siya sa face. Tapos, may SPF 20 sunscreen na siya. So, perfect siya sa Philippines weather. My winner for the blush is the Avon Ideal Luminous Blush in the shade Peach. When I was thinking of doing this Best of Beauty 2015, I was like, I cannot feature this because I thought this is limited edition. But few days ago, nakita ko yung brochure ng Avon sa tindahan and nakita ko, wow, meron pa rin palang Ideal Luminous Blush. And this is my all-time favorite blush, you guys. I don't know, I've had this for a long time now, really long time, and I still love it. I still use it. As you guys can see, I use it a lot. I hit pan. This is what I have on my cheeks right now. It is a blush with highlight na ganap like that. As you guys can see, when the light hits your face, it gives that really nice luminous effect on your cheeks. I didn't apply highlighter today, just the blush, and look at that. On point ang aking highlight blush right there. Next one is on the blush bronzer highlighter category. It's the BYS Contour Trio. This is 349 pesos. I got this from, again, my Glamourbox, yung BYS special edition nila. For me, this is a perfect compact blush contour highlight. Again, I've mentioned this in my favorites video. The highlight is not the best. Yung Avon na blush ko gives more highlight than the highlight right here. For me, it's like a powder lang. Wala talaga siyang highlight na ganap sa kanya. It's like a really light powder lang, ganon. But the blush and the contour is really good. The blush is that really nice kind of like deep peach color, and I'm really into that color. And then the contour shade is just perfect for me, personally, sa shade ng skin tone ko. Yes, if you're looking for a 3-in-1 product na super nipis, super ganda for traveling, BYS right here. Okay, so for the lipstick naman, I actually did my top 5 favorite local lipsticks. I will leave the link below, you guys, para makita nyo kung ano yung mga favorite lipsticks ko. And then for the brushes, I also did a video about my must-have brushes. I will leave the link below. And now onto the nail polish. I've mentioned this in so many of my videos. It's the My Posh Nail Polish in the shade Touch of Beige. This one I cannot use anymore kasi dry na siya. This is always sold out. Apparently, favorite din siya ng karamihan kasi lagi siyang wala. If I have a shade that I can recommend to everybody, kahit na anong kulay mo pa, this is it right here. It will look good on every skin tone. So, babagay siya sa lahat ng okasyon kasi it's a very safe color, I must say. And also, if I wear this, which I haven't worn for a long time kasi sold out siya, but if I do wear this, I get a lot of compliments about my nails. It's just a really good kind of like pinkish, nudish, grayish shade. I don't know, it's complicated, but it's really, really good. Last thing, you guys, since I have oily skin, I've included this in my Pinay Oily Skin must-haves. This needs to be included in my Best of Beauty because it is a savior, especially for someone like me who has oily skin. I hate retouching. I don't want to pack on a lot of powder on my face, so I just always blot my face para makuha yung oil. My favorite blotting sheet is the Gatsby Oil Clear Sheet. This is available sa Watsons, SM, yung mga ganyan. Yung film niya is black, so makikita mo talaga yung ganap ng oil sa mukha mo. Plus, it's very sturdy as well. It's not a regular paper na pupunit. Like, super sturdy nito. That's why gustong-gusto ko siya. And I just wasted one. So, I'm gonna put you back in there, mister. And yes, that's basically it for my Best of Beauty 2015. I hope you guys like this video. Please do hit like button if you did. Subscribe if you're not yet already. You guys, bukas New Year na. Happy New Year sa ating lahat. Sana naging bonggang-bongga ang inyong 2015. In my case, it was a roller coaster ride. Yung pinakamalaking problema ko sa buhay ko nangyari sa 2015, but the happiest moment in my life as well happened in 2015. So I'm happy. I cannot complain. Life is good. I'm pretty sure it is for you as well. Stay happy. Be good. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys! Happy New Year!